Sir, nakasubscribe at like na po ako. Oh, ito, very good. Ito yung mga gusto kong sinasagot Joke lang. So, sana masagot yung tanong ko. Same lang po ba ng design sa exterior yung Innova J tsaka Innova XE? Basically, yung tanong niya dito is similar lang ba talaga si J tsaka XE, and ano bang mga pinaka-major differences nila? So, Joseph Ray, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So, Toyota Innova variants. Basically, J is kay Toyota, usually yan yung base model nila. Kumbaga yung pinaka budget friendly, pinaka near sa masa talaga, no, J. And then entry level, and then XE, yan yung usually more than the base model. So having said that, si Toyota Innova as a model, same siya or similar siya kay Toyota Vios, which is yan nga, medyo friendly talaga sa masa, no? Patok sa masa, kumbaga. So utilitarian, very reliable. So usually what Toyota does is yung J, dinadagdagan lang nila ng konting-konti lang talaga, and then turns out to become the XE. But yung major na parang dinadagdag ni Toyota doon is yung pagiging automatic transmission niya, or CVT in other models. So J usually pinaka-basic, pinaka-entry, and then XE is pinaka-basic pa rin, pinaka-entry level pa rin, but automatic transmission. So medyo comfortable lang konti compared kay J na usually manual lang talaga, yung pinaka-bare talaga. So yun, I hope nasagot as of the making of this video. Kung wala pang dinadagdag or na-update si Toyota, Innova XE is just an automatic transmission version of the Toyota Innova J. So yan, sana nakatulong. Check out my Toyota Innova variants comparison or any other models. Marami tayong comparison doon sa YouTube playlist natin. So check it out, sana nakatulong. Follow for more.